Okay, so another guy that we can work with is when the variable gets up into the exponent. This is a little bit tricky. You just need to pay attention, though. It's not, again, it's not horrible. So we've got this a to the u, which is where the variable is, and it's just going to be the natural log of that base, and the base is just whatever this number right here is. This is going to be your base, okay? So the natural log of the base times the derivative of the base. It's not going to be hard. Well, at what point does the graph of the equation have a tangent line with a slope of 21? So what we want to do is we want to find y prime. Okay, and to do that, notice it's 2 to a power of t. So 2 to a power of t. What does that look like? Well, it looks like 2 to the t times the natural log of a, which is 2, and times the derivative of the t, so which is 1. And then plus the derivative of 3, which is 0. Okay. So what is our derivative really? It really is two t natural log of 2. Well, we want to find where the tangent line has a slope of 21. So we're looking at this guy right here. So guess what? Remember, derivative is our equation for slope. We want that equation to equal 21. So dive back into the depths, and how do we solve this guy out? Well, let's divide everything by the natural log of 2. That is a constant. And we have 2t equals 21 over the natural log of 2. And then how do we get it out of this? Take the natural log of both sides. And so this is a trick, and it's a little bit of an interesting trick, but we're going to take the natural log of this side, and we're going to take the natural log of this side. What that does is allows us to manipulate the t in the exponent. So I've got the natural log of 2t equals the natural log of 21 over the natural log of 2. Don't panic, it's all okay. Well, inside a natural log, you may or may not remember, but that t can come out front. And so when he does, what we end up with is t times the natural log of 2 is equal to, and remember, if you've got numbers inside, they can subtract. So this would be natural log of 21 minus the natural log of the natural log of 2. And the last step then is to get that t all by itself. So how would you do that? Divide everything by the natural log of 2. So it looks really weird, but don't panic, because then what we're going to do is we're just going to punch that right hand side into our calculators. So t equals the natural log of 21 minus the natural log of the natural log of 2 all over natural log of 2. There should be a 2 right here. Okay? And when you punch that into your calculator, you'll get that t is equal to 4.921. Okay? So if I know that t is equal to 4.921, how do I find y? I just plug 4.921 in right here. And when you get done punching this guy into your calculator, you get y equals 27.297. And so at what point does this occur where you have a slope of 21? It occurs at the point, and then look back down here, 4.921. 27.297.